Oh, hi everyone. Right, just wanted to do a bike review on my new bike. I've only had it about 5 days now. It's my latest Honda. It's a Pan European ST1300. Now, this is the third Pan European I've had. I've had ST1100s, and then for the last 6 years I've been riding BMW. But I picked this one up 5 days ago, and I have to be honest, I don't know why I changed. I don't know why I changed, because I absolutely love it. This particular model is a 2003. It's classified as a sports tourer, so Pan European ST1300 Sports Tourer. It's got a liquid cooled V4 fuel injected 5-speed engine, shaft driven. It's a real mile muncher. 29 litres of fuel it'll carry, ideal for those European trips. And it weighs about 286 kilograms unloaded. It's quite a weight, but when you're riding it, you don't have a problem with that. Great for passenger, and so lovely bike, grey in colour, fully loaded top box, panniers. Just invested in a 2-piece bag look set, leather tank cover and a leather bag, which sets it off nicely. A bit more storage. Extras on this one: heated grips, a light feature. We've got fog lights, halogen fog lights, sat nav mount, autocom brackets. Autocom's being fitted tomorrow actually. Top box rack. There's a few extra features there. Personalised number plate, DA03 Pan. So if anybody's got the initials DA and own an 03 Pan European, get in touch. The right price, and let that one go. Shame it wasn't RH, my initials. Yeah, I suppose the other feature is the electric screen. I'm just going to start the bike up first, and you can have a listen to it, because it really is a beautiful. So key on. Listen to that. Beautiful. Twin exhaust at the back. Purrs like a kitten. That lovely V4 engine. Other extras. Forgot about that one. Let me just have a. So where are we? There. Gear indicator. Tells me what gear I'm in. You can see it from. That's just in the way, but down there somewhere is the. That's it there. So the screen. Electric. Mounted screen, as you can see there, I think, up and down. When it's fully up, I was cruising the motorway, doing 70 miles an hour on the motorway, and the wind was just wasn't any. So really good protection on those higher speeds. Also, it's got a wind reflector kit, it's all extras around the mirrors and down the sides, you can see. Might be able to see better from the front. Around the mirrors, down the sides, all wind protection. So it really is a bike made for getting those miles, long distance. Went down to the Cotswolds a couple of days after having it, and effortless, absolutely effortless. I've got a trip into Europe and in May. Got a trip up to Scotland in April. Advanced course. Got a few guys going up. But it really is the bike. I'll just show you the lights as well. It really is the bike for those long miles. There I can put my fog lights on, or fog lights, halogens. Makes it stand out a little bit more. And another feature actually is the indicators. You can see LED inside the mirrors. The mirrors are really situated beautifully on this. So that's my new bike, Honda Pan European ST1300. Hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope you enjoy the bike. And catch you later. The sun's shining.